princesses live in a beautiful castle.
There was a big dragon. The dragon lived in a cage. He was very bad. One day the dragon said, "Now I'm going to eat all the girls in the village."
One day it's the princess' turn. She was very scared.
Suddenly appeared St. George, his white horse.
"Stop, dragon," said St. George. "I'm not afraid of you."
And snack, dragon is covered in straw. From the dragon born, a pig, a breast from